Today, we're going to be learning how to write formulas in Google Sheet. How do we start? If you look at this table, I've already pre-typed all the data needed. So the first thing you have to do is go to the left uppermost corner and then rename your sheet according to the name that you want. The next thing that you can do is you can merge column A, B, C, and D by clicking the merge all button. Make sure you select all the columns that you want to merge. Click it. Now you could also resize your rows by going in between. For example, row 1 and row 2, you can adjust by going in between. You can also adjust the columns by going in between the columns and then holding your left mouse button to adjust the size of the column. Now let's format the numbers. Go to Format, Numbers. Since it's currency, and the currency is in dollars, you can go to More Formats, Currencies, and then look for Philippine Peso or whatever currency you're actually looking for. There it is, Philippine Peso. Since Peso is the one that I want, click Apply. If you notice the difference, now it's in currency. You could also format the numbers at the same time. Select all the cells, go to number, and then, of course, go to currency. And if you notice more currencies, you can search for Philippine Peso. Click Apply. Notice all the numbers in the cell are already formatted into peso. Search and look for the other numbers. Go to Format, Number, Currency, Philippine Peso. Now, formulas are very important in Google Sheet, but you have to know the cell number. Usually, it's a combination of the column name and the row number. So, for example, D is the column, 12 is the row, so it's D12. Another example, D column, row 11, so the cell name is D11. Now, let's try adding a formula for addition. In Google Sheet, a formula starts with an equal sign. Then afterwards, write the cell name D12 plus D11. Press enter. There you have it. It's 400 pesos. You can change the format by changing the size and the alignment. So the total is 400. Very good. You did addition. Now for the next cell, we're going to do multiplication. For multiplying, it's similar. So you type equal, then the cell name, which is B3 times C3, and then just press enter. Very good. The answer is 140,000. Now let's practice multiplication some more. The same thing. Go to the cell where you want the product to appear and then type equal. Then B4 times C4 and then press enter. The answer is 13,500. But there's also a shortcut in copying the formula. Just click the cell with the formula, go to the lowermost corner of that cell and wait for the cross sign to appear. Then, if you see it, all you have to do is hold your left mouse button and drag. It will copy the formula of the previous cell. If you made a mistake, don't worry. All you have to do is press the undo button. You could also write the sum. So click the cell, go to sum, and then select all the cells that you want to add. So for example, you want to add cell D3, press Command, D4, press Command, D5, D6, and then press enter. You could also just type the formula to get the sum of the numbers. Just in case you make a mistake in any of the process, the undo button is always there. So you could just undo and do it all again. Thank you. Have a nice day. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my page. Goodbye.